Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix alarm no sound on Infinix not edge. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on clock app. After click on clock app and allow clock alarm from here. After allow alarm, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on clock and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. After clear cache clock app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Infinix not edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.